Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's TECHTIP. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. So the computer teacher in me has a big pet peeve when I see PowerPoint presentations or Google Slides that have images with this white background. So I am going to show you a quick, easy way to remove it. So first you're going to locate the image that you want to use online. So here was mine that I used. And normally you just right click on it and go to copy image, and then go into your PowerPoint and right click and paste, or press Control V to paste. And you see it has that white background. So to get rid of it, what you're going to do is go to this website, remove.bg, and you are going to paste it in here. So again, I went over here, you right click and you go to copy image. I'm going to go here and I'm just going to press Control V. And it'll automatically upload it for me. And then my image is there, and now you see that background is removed. So I'm just going to right click and go to copy image again, go back into my presentation, press Control V to paste it in, and there you go. Your background is removed. Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with a fun Tech Tip Tuesday. So ever wonder how to create a GIF or even make one of yourself? I'm going to show you how. The first thing you need to do is record a video of yourself. And then you are going to upload that clip here to unscreen.com. So I'm going to go to upload clip, and I'm going to find where I saved that file and go to open. And then it prepares your video. It'll remove the background for you. And then once it's done, it'll allow you to download it and save to your computer. And then you could use those GIFs in your PowerPoint presentation. So check this out. How cool is that? Hey Bulldogs, another fun website for you to add GIFs to your PowerPoint presentations. So I am going to type in Bulldogs and then the word transparent so you can keep my fun background in Google Slides. Remember, we don't want that white background. So you'll click on the image that you would like. It takes you here and you're going to go to copy link. And then you are going to copy the second one right here. So press Control C to copy it. And then when you go into your slides, you're going to go to Insert, Image, and then by URL. And you're going to paste that in by pressing Control V and go to Insert. And you have your GIF file there. Pretty cool. I hope when I come in classrooms and I see you working on Google Slides, I see some of these fun tech tips in effect. Have a great day, Bulldogs, and I will see you next week for Tech Tip Tuesday.